Unboxing the front strut for a Ford Fusion. The strut comes pre-assembled with coils, top hats, bump stops and dust covers. For installation and removal we will be using electric impact, hammer, punch, clip removal tool, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 long extension bar, 1/2 inch long extension bar, 1/2 inch medium extension bar, 19mm socket, 10mm socket, 12mm socket, 18mm socket, 21mm socket, 24mm socket, 10mm socket, 12mm socket, Allen key, 1/4 inch extension, 1/4 inch T-handle, 18mm wrench, 8 and 10mm double-ended wrench, 19 and 21mm double-ended wrench, 3/8 torque wrench, 1/2 inch torque wrench, with a 9mm long socket, 1/2 inch medium extension bar and the torque wrench loosen the lug nuts. Open the hood and then lift the vehicle. Remove the lug nuts using a 19mm socket and an impact gun. Take the wheel off. Use a 10mm socket to remove the brake hose bracket. Use the clip removal tool to loosen the ABS sensor wire harness clip. Use an 18mm socket to loosen the sway bar link nut. With the Allen key and an 18mm wrench, remove the sway bar link nut. Remove the bracket for the ABS sensor wire harness and push the sway bar link to the side. Use a 24mm socket to loosen the nuts on the knuckle, holding the other side with a 21mm wrench. Use the 21mm wrench and the 24mm on an impact wrench to remove the nut completely. Grab the hammer and punch to drive out the bolt. Separate the strut from the knuckle. Lower the vehicle to access the strut tower bolt. Use the clip removal tool to remove any clips in the way. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the strut tower bolts. Then use a 10mm socket with a 3/8 ratchet to remove them. Take out the original strut assembly. Install the new strut assembly. Install the strut tower bolts. Use a 12mm socket and wrench to tighten the strut tower bolts to 35 Nm. Reinstall the front cover clips. Lift the vehicle. Push the knuckle onto the strut tower and insert the bolts. Install the nuts. Use a 24mm socket and a torque wrench to tighten the nuts to 235 Newton meters. Push the sway bar link onto the strut and install the ABS sensor harness bracket. Install the nut and torque key down to 115 Newton meters. Secure the ABS sensor wire harness clip. Reinstall the brake hose bracket with a 10mm socket. And torque it down to 18 Newton meters. Put the wheel back on and install the lug nuts by hand. Tighten the lug nuts with a 19mm socket. Torque the lug nuts to 135 Newton meters. Lower the vehicle. Close the hood.